Okay, listen up. Claude Code just got a massive, completely unannounced upgrade, and it is an absolute game changer. Seriously, if you're using Claude in your terminal, this is like going from dial-up straight to fiber optic. This changes everything. Let's just get right to the headline, no fluff. Claude can now understand your code, find your functions, and trace all their references up to 900 times faster. No, that is not a typo. It's a fundamental shift in how this tool actually works. So how is this even possible? It's not just that they tweaked the model a little bit. Anthropic has completely re-architected how Claude sees your code, moving it from what was basically educated guesswork to absolute deterministic certainty. Let me make this super real for you. Before this update, if you asked Claude, hey, where is my user class defined? It would do what was basically a glorified text search. It would just start frantically scanning file after file, burning tokens, wasting your time, sometimes taking a whole 45 seconds. And now, it finds that exact same class in 50 milliseconds. That's not just fast, it's literally instant. And this right here is the most crucial point. The old way was probabilistic. Claude was guessing where things might be. The new way is deterministic. Claude knows the exact file, line, and column of every single symbol in your entire code base. It's the difference between asking a stranger for directions and just having a live GPS pinpoint the location. So what is this magic? Well, it's a technology that professional devs have been using in their IDEs for years, and it has finally come to an AI agent like Claude. Let's talk about something called the Language Server Protocol, or LSP. LSP is this awesome standard that Microsoft came up with. It basically separates the brain of an IDE, the part that understands your code, from the editor itself. It's the whole reason that tools like VS Code have such powerful features like smart autocomplete, goToDefinition, and error highlighting for so many different languages. It's the secret sauce. And this is really the best way to think about it. Instead of just reading your code like a plain text file, Claude now has a deep structural map of your entire project. It doesn't see functions and classes as just words. It sees them as connected entities with relationships. It's like having X-ray vision for your whole code base. So what do you get with this X-ray vision? Well, you get all the killer features you're used to in an IDE. You get goToDefinition to instantly jump to where a function is created. You get findReferences to see every single place it's ever been used. You get hover info for quick type definitions. And, this is a big one, you get getDiagnostics, which means Claude can catch bugs and errors the very second it writes them. And you know what the best part is? This isn't some beta feature you have to sign up for. You can enable this right now, probably in less time than it's taking you to watch this. Let's run through the plan. It's literally 3 simple steps. First, you just enable the feature flag with an environment variable. Super easy. Second, you type /plugin right inside Claude Code to open its little marketplace. And third, you find the LSP server for whatever language you're using, like Pyright for Python or VTSLS for TypeScript, and you install it. That's it. You're done. And as you can see, the language support right out of the gate is already fantastic. All the big ones are here: Python, TypeScript, Rust, Go, Java, C++, you name it. The community has already packaged up the most popular language servers into Claude plugins, so chances are your stack is already covered. Okay, but it can't all be perfect, right? I mean, nothing ever is. When you try to jam a tool that was designed for humans into an AI agent, you're going to get some awkwardness. And a huge name in the developer community called it out almost immediately. That's a quote from José Valim, the guy who created the Elixir programming language. And he pointed out that LSP was designed for a human to physically click on a specific line and column in a file. But an AI agent doesn't think in coordinates. It thinks in concepts. It wants to ask, where is this function, not what's at line 47, column 12. And you know what? He is 100% right. It's a little bit of a square peg in a round hole. But let's be real here. An awkward, coordinate-based system that gives you the right answer in 50 milliseconds is a quantum leap over a system that spends 45 seconds just guessing. It's not the final form of AI tooling for sure, but it is a massive, massive step forward. So let's zoom out. Why is this specific update so important right now? Well, because this didn't happen in a vacuum. It's a huge strategic move in a rapidly escalating war for the hearts and minds of developers. To put it bluntly, the AI coding space is an absolute arms race right now. We're talking billions of dollars being poured into companies that are all fighting to become the definitive way we build software in the future.
You've basically got three major players making different bets. You have GitHub Copilot, which is going all in on the existing IDE, integrating directly into VS Code. You have Cursor, which actually forked VS Code to build an AI-first editor from the ground up. And then you have Claude, which has been carving out its niche in the terminal, banking on its giant context window.
And the stakes here are just astronomical. I mean, to give you an idea, Cursor is reportedly valued at a staggering $29 billion. That is the insane level of investment we are seeing right now. This is a battle for the future of software development itself. By adding LSP, Claude just hit a critical milestone, feature parity. It now has the same core code intelligence that its IDE-based competitors have had since day one. The war for your terminal just got a whole lot more interesting.
All right, so after all that, what is the one big takeaway? Why should you actually care about any of this?
It's simple. Having a deep structural understanding of code is now table stakes. It's the absolute minimum requirement to be a serious player in the AI coding game. And with this update, Claude just put its chips on the table. And the best part? You can get it today. So here's your call to action. I want you to take 5 minutes, set up LSP for your favorite language, and just run the test yourself. Ask it where is your most used function defined, and just watch the speed. Drop a comment below and let me know which language you're going to try first. And hey, while you're down there, make sure you're subscribed because now that Claude has officially leveled up, we are going to be putting it head-to-head against Cursor in a full-on showdown. You are not going to want